A close call in Monterey, California, as a car in red turns and cuts off a motorcyclist. The biker has to slam on the brakes to avoid an accident. In Los Angeles, California, a driver makes a blind U-turn across 4 lanes of traffic coming off the freeway, narrowly avoiding a collision. In Orlando, Florida, a driver almost hits me while driving recklessly on the road. Driving in the rain at night in Oklahoma City, I'm taken off guard by a large puddle on the freeway, but I manage to correct and avoid a collision with the wall. In Salt Lake City, Utah, a white truck loses control and almost hits me as I'm pulling into the left turn lane.
Subscribe to Red is Bad Drivers.
In Hamilton, Ontario, Canada, a driver heading towards me against traffic as I'm about to go on the highway on ramp. In Brant County, Ontario, Canada, a big rig is driving slow and others don't want to wait. The police were notified of the event and took some unknown action. In Ruislip-Hillingdon, West London, a Mercedes driver doesn't know how to stay in their lane and cuts me off on a 2-lane right turn, forcing me onto the curb and hitting my wing mirror. Driving home on CA Highway 138, I almost collide with a vehicle that overtakes on a blind curve in Carjon Junction, California. A female dietitian returning home after work in Dammam, Eastern Province, Saudi Arabia, has a close call with a reckless driver who cuts her off, forcing her to slow down gradually to avoid a collision. In Portland, Oregon, a driver narrowly avoids being hit by a woman on a moped who had no control over her vehicle and tried to drive straight into the car. In Northampton, Northamptonshire, United Kingdom, there's definitely some road rage going on as a black sedan and a white vehicle engage in some major lane jealousy.
Subscribe to Red is Bad Drivers.
In Asheville, North Carolina, an idiot driver pulls out in front of me and just stops in the middle of the road, causing a close call. In The Colony, Texas, Another driver crosses 4 lanes of traffic and almost collides with me, but I manage to avoid a collision. Thanks for watching our close call dash cam compilation. Remember, stay alert, drive defensively, and always expect the unexpected on the road.